Hi, today I'm going to show you how to isolate colors and textures for more complex color adjustments with textures with using Krita. I'm just going to jump over to it. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Let me just... Okay. So here's the texture that I am currently doing for a client, and I'm going to show you how I made it look like this. Wait, I'm missing one. There we go. How I made it look like this. So to start off, we want to grab the white. So we actually have filters right here, right? Now, because the white is lighter than everything else, it's going to be the easiest to grab. Because these two are kind of a bit too similar in darkness to grab. But we're going to be using the selection tool, this one right here, the select from color range. What this will allow us to do is get our shadows, midtones, highlights, and whatever this is. So we can just grab our highlights and hit select. You can see here it's grabbed it, but it hasn't grabbed quite all of it right here. So I'm going to deselect. I'm going to increase that to 200 and hit select. And that's pretty much grabbed everything I want. So I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to create a new layer. And I'm going to get the color I want. Let's just say red. Yeah, red. And there we go. Now we have that layer. Now we're not going to get rid of that selection just yet, because that selection... wait, what? Let's do that again. Select color range up this highlights, select. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to paint red again. Going to come back to here. I don't know why that... Anyway, not a big deal. Yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna go to the second layer. Please don't get rid of... Okay. And I just hit the delete key a couple of times when I was on the layer right here. For some reason I couldn't hide the other thing. It doesn't matter. So now we have this. And this is kind of what we want for the next part. We're going to go filter, adjust, HVS adjustments, and just do this. Might even lighten it a little bit. Actually, no, never mind. Okay, so now we have a distinctively lighter color and a distinctively darker color, which is perfect. If you've seen any of my other tutorials for Krita, you'll be familiar with this tool. What this allows us to do is lighten the lights and darken the darks. I want to just do a bit of it now and then hit OK when we got about this much, and then just do it again. Filter, adjust, levels. That looks good enough. And then we can go ahead and select our shadows this time. Hit OK. Make another layer. Let's go with this color. So now we have two colors. Go ahead, delete that bottom layer. Now, what I'm going to do, now I just have this, I'm going to go to filter, adjust this, and I'm just going to completely white it out just because it's got a few little scraggly bits here and there. And if you wanted just a white one, by all means, but you could also do filter, adjust. I might show you another thing whilst I'm here. This colorize. Put the saturation up, put this lightness down, and then you can adjust your colors. If that so helps. And then there you go. You have a completely editable, layable color range. I hope that helps. See you all later.